All right, so our last day out of the city, and we are going to try to find a waterfall to sort of enjoy and relax. So let's see if we find it. All right, here we are. Pretty sure we found the waterfall. She's excited. He doesn't care too much. I was thinking it would be a little bit larger and more secluded, but we'll pretty much drive right up to it. It was beautiful, though. And then you look up there. It's a good day for a swim. Alright, we found a bunch of stairs. So we're gonna climb them and see where it brings us. You ready, Homo? Oh, sorry. Homo, watch where you're going. No. Like wrangling a cat. See if I can make it over there without falling. Not because it's that rough, because I'm that clumsy. It's beautiful. Just think how beautiful it was before there were all kinds of people like us here, tourists and others, just naturally coming off the mountains in the middle of the forest. What do you think, Bithia?
Yeah.
Is it beautiful?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Not sure if you can see it, but there's a little rainbow in there. So it looks like some people have a path that goes further up. We're not really equipped to go up there today. We're all wearing, I guess by like Asian standards we are. I've got my four-wheel drive Crocs on. Just need to put my strap back. I'll be good to go. But I think those would be fine. But we didn't really bring a whole lot of water and the baby and whatnot. Have to have a better carrying solution. Just look at this jungle. It's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I just can't imagine getting lost out here somewhere where there are no other people. And that would be, I'm not gonna lie, that'd be probably terrifying. If you were out deep in the jungles and it was this thick or more. Can't really hear it yet over the waterfall. So he's playing his little guitar. I think he's a little bit shy. And then, of course, we have litter, because why not? Power wash. Right? Well, since Daddy isn't really equipped to go into the waterfall pool right now, every little bit helps. But apparently she's not content with just getting her feet wet. She's getting ready to walk into the drop-off.
Water and waterfall. You see waterfall over there? And the waterfall and the pool. Jump? No, we're not jumping. We're not gonna jump. We can go jump.
Good morning. So it's Saturday morning, about 2 o'clock a.m. Obviously, I guess if it's morning. The irony is that exactly a week ago, the same time, I was up making a video as we were preparing to go down to one of the border towns to see the family member who was ill and help arrange them to see a clinic. However, somehow, as I was compiling the video, the footage from last Saturday was lost. So, prior to this part of the video, you're going to see, the waterfalls and stuff, and that was today before we left for the several hour drive back to Chiang Mai. Just sort of a little time to relax and unwind, since the whole time had basically been doing clinic stuff and just being around a lot of people. All of that being said, while I was on the border town, I came across this book in a little restaurant and they were selling it, and it's just a really neat book. We try to have some books so that when we go to speak at churches or other places, we have something to set out so that people can look at them. And usually we try to get the ones that really resonate with us as to the situation in Burma. And this one was just really neat. Mung Mung Tin, as you can see, is the one who compiled it and did the paintings. So they are watercolors of actual photos, and I recognize some of the photos as being some from the organization that we work with, and he had painted them, and it just adds a completely different look to it. And so Mung Mung Tin, I'm not sure whether that's a Karen name or a Burmese name, but either way, he's very talented. And let's see if I can open this up without putting the camera down, just to show you one of the paintings. Sorry. This is of a resistance soldier and his daughter. And these were real photographs that he did water painting to. And then, then there's a little message to go with it. My dear daughter, there is a war in our land. War is terrible. Nothing good comes from war. War makes tears. War separates families. War causes bloodshed. War causes children to become orphans. Many children many people are hurt physically in different ways. They are permanently traumatized in their minds. Their humanities are damaged for the rest of their lives. The civil war in Burma has been ongoing for over 60 years. I know that fighting with guns cannot make the war stop. It is not possible to solve problem just with weapons, but I have to use it. On the other side, they are more powerful. They have weapons. They control all the important things. They mismanage the country unfairly. They never think about stopping the use of weapons, and they want to keep the war alive. I do hope the war will finish soon, and the very terrible images will go away. I do hope that there are no more bad things in your time, in your future. He did such an amazing job bringing these photos back to life. So I haven't been able to find much more, or even where to buy these online yet. I think it's a fairly recent release. I don't remember seeing it about a month ago when we were down there. But just obviously he's very talented. It's telling the story of the people of Burma, not just the Karen, but the ethnic Burmese that are suffering, the Kachin, the Karenni, the Shan, the Wa, and I'm not sure if there's any Rohingya in here, but all of the stories are very much the same. It's the same oppressor doing the same things to different groups of people. And like I said, each photo has words with it. A lot of them are like poems. So if you come across it, pick one up. It's definitely worth it. And yeah, so we are, like I said, we just arrived back probably about 45 minutes ago, and we just were blessed with the time that we had down there, and yeah, it was good despite the circumstances. So thank you. We'll talk to you later. Take care. Shalom.